Hello guys, today we are here to talk about this palette. This is the Watch the Queen Conquer from Plouise. This is a very huge palette, double-sided. The first side is a pinky purpley tone and the other side is a yellowy greenish goldy reddish tone. Let's start with the package. The package is awful. I mean, it's cute, you have a chessboard in the middle. What's the meaning of the chessboard in a makeup palette? I don't know, without having also the chess to play with. This is so bulky, so bulky. I think that you can do a palette like with all this shade, like let me say this big. This is a big palette, okay? So I don't like the package. Plouise package are too bulky for my preferences. I have three, but I've played just with this one. There's a dog here near. It's cute, yes. Quality wise, the quality is good. Actually, it's not a bad palette. I've played, you will see, 3 different looks, and only 3 because I have to do some different challenge on Instagram, so I had to play with other palettes. But I did one full look with this side, one full look with this side, and one look with both sides. Quality is good. Dark shade are needs to be blended very carefully. You need to take time too. Shimmer shade are nice. I love the greenish goldish part more. Just a preferences, because this shade here, this shade here is so pretty, and also this one, and also this one. These 3 shades I think are the ones I love the most of the palette. But the look I did with the purple pinky part, that was stunning. They are durable. They last on my eyes for the whole day. I do not have any particular issue with the makeup lasting on my eyes. It's easier for me that I have issue on my face than on my eyes. But I have the hooded eyes, so if they are not lasting very well, they will not last. I've heard a lot of girls with hooded eyes claiming that creamier shades, every brand on them will crease, but I didn't have that issue even with the Wilderness or from Beauty Base. So quality wise it's good. It's a very it's quite expensive. Shipping from UK was a mess. It took so much. I bought during Black Friday sales and I paid for express shipping, and it took about 2 weeks to get to me, so not express. I mean, if I pay for express shipping from UK, it's not so far. I want the stuff to be in my house in 3 to 4 days, no more. From shipping, while it took about more than 10 days in custom. While, for example, I paid for express shipping from Clarity from EOS, and the package was delivered to me 6 days after the shipping. So you see that if you want to offer a service, you can for sure. I also have to pay a very on top of the custom fee. That okay, that's okay for me. On top, I have to pay so much for handling fees by the shipper. I don't know, the courier. Too much. Since I already paid for express shipping, it's quite expensive. So I will not for sure buy anything more from Plouise in the next future. I know that there are some resellers that are based in Europe, so even though maybe they will not get the new stuff fast, I will not buy any new releases from Plouise itself, but I will buy from reseller. For example, Be Perfect store are reselling Plouise. I think that's it. As you can see, I'm not so particular happy. Okay, I mean, the palette is good, but it's not a palette that you can carry with you. It's too bulky. In my makeup area, it takes so much space, so much. I mean, I have only 3 palettes, and they are like this much, 3 palette only. Okay, so that's it. I hope you, however, will enjoy the looks. Let me know which one is your favorite, and see you soon. Bye, guys.